Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on 3D rotation on the Complete Anatomy application to activate horizontal rotation and supine positioning of the model. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should slide to the right side down below on this slide and click on Preferences. Scroll down again till you find the full 3D rotation button. As you can see, you can activate horizontal rotation and supine positioning of the model, and if you turn it on, it removes restrictions on positioning the model, allowing you to place the model at any angle on the axis. Use 2-finger twist rotation to place model horizontally. So tap on this button in the right side to turn it on, and it will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.